We know that overwashing hair strips away its natural oils and leaves our locks dry and sad, but many can't help it due to a greasy hair look. But now we're going to help you break the cycle by telling you about hair training. Hair training or scalp training is like a boot camp for your locks to teach them to stay fresher longer between washes. So let's jump into it. Gradually increase the time between washes. What's the secret to train your hair so that you can stay fresher longer between washes? It's all about that gradual increase. Start by saying goodbye to daily washes and slowly stretch the time between your washes. Like a wise guru, your hair learns to balance its oils on its own like a self-sufficient superstar. Here's how to do it. Use dry shampoo strategically. Another secret to unlocking fresh, vibrant hair? Welcome Dry Shampoo, a time-saving superhero of hair care. Whether you've whipped up your very own DIY one, which we highly recommend and we've shared recipes in previous videos, or it's a store-bought one, by incorporating this magical mixture between washes, you're actually training your hair to stay fresher for longer. Dry shampoo absorbs excess oil like a champion, adds volume, and gives your hair a rejuvenating boost and leaves your locks looking and feeling fabulously refreshed. By using it strategically, you can train your hair to stay fresher longer between washes. For a quick DIY recipe, use 1 tablespoon of organic rice flour mixed with 1 tablespoon of organic coconut flour, and voila! Over time, your hair learns the art of longevity, staying vibrant and luscious even when you skip a wash. So grab that dry shampoo and let your hair rock the just washed look effortlessly. We've talked in detail about how to whip up your own natural DIY dry shampoo in one of our previous videos. Be sure to check it out after this one. Go for water-only rinse or co-washing. Just because you're skipping the shampoo doesn't mean you have to skip the shower altogether. With water-only rinses or co-washing, i.e. washing your hair with conditioner, you're showing your locks some tender love and care by preserving those essential oils that your hair craves. Over time, your hair becomes a Zen master of oil regulation, where your scalp's natural oils and your hair's moisture levels find a harmonious balance. It's like hitting the restart button to let your hair embrace its natural rhythm and proudly support less frequent washes. In the case of co-washing, use a DIY or lightweight conditioner that won't weigh your hair down to help your hair stay even more fresh during washes. You'll find your tresses happily staying fresher for longer between washes while you celebrate the joy of time saved and a glorious, vibrant mane. Bravo, hair training, bravo! Enjoying these tips? Give us a virtual high five by smashing that like button. YouTube will reach out to more people, benefiting everyone, all thanks to your support. Things to do when you wash your hair. First, opt for sulfate-free shampoo. Sulfates can strip away your scalp's natural oils, sending your oil glands into a frenzy. By ditching those harsh sulfates, you're teaching your tresses to retain their natural oils, which means less oiliness, more bounce, and fresher hair for longer. Another tip here is to avoid using hot water on your scalp. The heat stimulates your sebaceous glands into overdrive, leaving your scalp oilier than a French fry. By saying goodbye to scorching hot showers and embracing cooler temperatures, you're telling your hair to chill out on oil production, leading to fresher, less greasy hair days. Also enter clarifying shampoo, the secret weapon for ultimate freshness. This magical elixir swoops in, eliminates product buildup, excess oil, and all things weighing your hair down. It's like a detox for your strands. By using clarifying shampoo once a week, you're training your hair to stay fresher between washes. Or maybe go for some scalp exfoliation magic. By gently scrubbing away buildup and dead skin cells, you create a clean canvas for your hair to flourish. Think of it as a scalp boot camp, training all those oil glands to stay calm and collected. And finally, our top favorite elixir to clarify your scalp and keep your hair fresh longer is, drumroll please, an apple cider vinegar rinse. A weekly treatment of this concoction balances pH levels, banishes buildup, and trains your hair to stay fresher longer. Just mix 1 part AVC with 4 parts water, pour it after your shower, and leave it in for luscious locks that demand attention wherever you go. A great tip is to remove tangles and knots from your strands before hopping in the shower to ensure each strand of yours gets the special treatment. You'll love to give TangleGenie a go. This amazing detangler has a unique 360-degree bristle design, which allows it to detangle your hair gently. It does all this without pulling, tugging, or hair falling out. Be sure to give this amazing detangler a try for tangle-free hair and to escape the heavy damage other detangling methods can cause. Want to keep up with all the best tips to achieve gorgeous, healthy hair? Yeah, we think you need to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Brush your hair regularly. By brushing, you distribute those natural oils from your scalp to the ends, nourishing your locks with a touch of shine. It's like a built-in conditioning treatment. Plus, the gentle stimulation of your scalp reminds those oil glands to take it easy on the greasiness. So grab your trusty brush and become a hair whisperer, training your locks to stay fresher longer. Get ready to conquer the world with your fabulous, low-maintenance hair. Avoid touching your hair. Another secret to unlock fresher, longer-lasting hair is to keep your hands off your hair. Every time you touch and twirl, you transfer oils and dirt, making your hair lose its freshness faster. So, hands off. Train yourself to resist the temptation and watch the magic unfold. Your hair will thank you with days of bouncy, fresh goodness. Cut down on styling products. By cutting down on styling products, you're giving your hair some breathing room. It's like a vacation from the product overload and the buildup that it causes. Say goodbye to sticky gels, sprays, and waxes, and hello to the freedom of natural beauty. By letting your locks embrace their true essence, you're training them to require less washing. It's like a secret pact between you and your hair, leading to longer, lasting freshness and more time on your hands. You've got this, hair guru. Embrace hairstyles that hide greasiness. This is like a clever disguise for those unwashed days. Say hello to braids, buns, and stylish hats that keep your secrets safe. By rocking these trendy looks, you're training your hair to require less frequent washing. It's like a quick transformation where greasiness becomes a well-kept secret. So, embrace the power of creative styling, get ready for compliments, envy-inducing hairdos, and the sweet satisfaction of washing your hair less often. Pay attention to scalp pH. Taking care of scalp pH is like having a secret weapon against frequent washes. It's all about finding that perfect balance, like a master chemist for your locks. By using pH-balanced hair products, you're creating an environment where your scalp stays happy and balanced. Say goodbye to excess oil and hello to fewer washes. It's like a refreshing escape from the never-ending hair wash cycle. So grab those pH-friendly goodies and let your hair dance to the pH balance beat. We've shared great info on how to test and balance your scalp's pH in a previous video. Be sure to check it out. Do you have any other great tips to keep your hair fresh between washes? Drop it in the comments below so everyone can benefit from it. Be sure to check out this video right here to find out how to whip up your own natural DIY dry shampoo. Happy, healthy hair care!